Love bombing and ghosting are manipulative behaviors often exhibited by individuals with narcissistic tendencies, low self-esteem, commitment issues, fear of confrontation, or a desire to avoid commitment. Love bombers shower people with excessive attention to gain control, while ghosts abruptly cut off contact without explanation. Signs of love bombing include excessive compliments, intense declarations of love, and attempts to isolate the victim, while signs of ghosting include ignoring messages, blocking on social media, and avoiding in-person interactions. It's important to remember that being love bombed and ghosted is not the victim's fault, and re-establishing connections with friends and family can help in healing. Refusing all communication with the love bomber or ghoster is crucial for moving forward.